On way to Ash Auto Group, Phoenix, Arizona. We're gonna look at what they're shipping right now to consumer bankruptcy clients. People have just filed for bankruptcy. Hundreds and hundreds of cars are shipped out of here every month. I'm going to go take a look at the facility.
Hey.
There he is in the house.
How are we doing?
So every car you have goes to a client that's gonna file bankruptcy.
That is correct. That is correct.
Every truck, every Tesla, every SUV, every Jeep, every one of them.
Correct. I think we're the only dealership in the country that can say they solely exist to serve bankruptcy clients. So this is, Ash Auto Group BK. Our location actually was a mechanic shop, and we took it over a couple years ago, shut it down, and everything you see here is just servicing our current vehicles to get them ready for sale. So we have a rigorous process we go through where we identify anything that can possibly potentially become an issue, and we go ahead and take care of that before their vehicles are ever listed for sale. The reason why we do that is because we're sending vehicles to bankruptcy clients in over 40 states at this point. And when they show up, they have to have everything fully maintained and just set our clients up for success any way possible. They are used vehicles, so things, can come up, but that's why we also have an incredible warranty, 2-year, 36,000 mile that goes out with every vehicle we sell, along with gap insurance. So, the vehicles are fully reconditioned prior to sale and maintained. We have a great warranty on our vehicles, and we have gap insurance as well. We're trying to set our clients up for success every way possible.
Do people actually get Mercedes?
Well, we've got one right
bankruptcy?
here. Yeah. It really comes down to price point, and we're very selective about what we buy. We'll look at hundreds and hundreds of cars just to buy a few of them, but we try to keep a wide range to give our clients some great options. A lot of Volkswagens. You see we've got a BMW here. Obviously, we've got a whole row here of mid-size SUVs, which are very popular. Majority of our clients have kids. We know what buckets we need to fill inventory-wise, and we do a good job of always having those options available for our different clients.
Check this Jeep out.
Yeah, so, this is probably a pretty good example. We've got a Jeep, that's had some customizations done to it. And then we've also got a Mini Cooper up here, which those are actually really popular with our clients as well. So again, we're trying not to be just a Chevy dealership or just fit into a traditional mold. We're trying to give our clients a wide range of selection to choose from. On a daily basis, we are shipping Teslas to bankruptcy clients across the country. Obviously, if you just file bankruptcy, paying for gas is a big expense. Tesla's a good way to go to avoid that. But yeah, we've got, Model Ys, Model 3s. The price points on these have come down quite a bit in the last year. I want to be clear, every situation is different on what the banks will approve you for. But yes, these are the type of vehicles that bankruptcy clients are getting into from Ash Auto Group. And again, you can see we've got some third row SUVs here. A lot of big families come to us needing help with vehicles. So we try to always keep those in stock. They're a little harder to locate, but we do a good job with it. And again, you can see another Jeep here. These are become very popular for our clients that are up north. They're obviously great in the snow and the winter months, and for the folks in warmer temperatures, you take the top off and have a great time. So another Mercedes, a smaller version here. This is kind of a hybrid SUV sedan that we've had a few of these that are nice. And then we've got the Model Y here, which is actually the #1 selling car in the world right now. So try to keep a couple of these around as well.
It's hard to believe this is a dealership for bankruptcy clients. This does not look like secondhand, used car, buy here, pay here dealership.
Yeah.
It just looks totally different. These are beautiful cars.
Well, our goal has always been to create a high-end feel for our clients. And that's what they deserve, and that's what we try to provide. And that's from customer service to the vehicles to the warranty and really every aspect of the process for us. So, vehicles are an essential part of that, and we've got to make sure that they're up to the standard that our clients deserve.